During our short time contracting, we realised the old method of smoke extract was inefficient, time-consuming and dangerous. So we did something about it. We launched the Sertus pod, a single source, single lift, simple install product. 2 years later, after rigorous research and painstaking planning, it's time for episode 2. Introducing the new range of Sertus pods. 4 horizontal, 3 vertical, all designed to save time, effort and the environment.
The new range starts with our smallest, simplest pod, the Pod Micro. It's a frame design, smoke-only unit which can connect to a separate automatic transfer switch, so it's a simple unit to extract smoke out of burning buildings. Next is the Pod Mini, similar to the Pod Micro but better looking, with an integrated automatic transfer switch and a backdraft damper to further weatherproof the unit. Much like the Micro, this unit is designed to focus on smoke ventilation. The Pod Original needs no introduction. It's the unit we've been tweaking and refining over the past 3 years and sits in the middle of the range. With primary attenuation, this pod can be used for environmental ventilation as well as smoke exhaust. Then there's the Pod Max, for those situations where only the best will do. The Max is the top of the range, sporting both primary and secondary attenuation and designed for areas with strict noise pollution requirements. Next, let's take a look at our brand new vertical range. We designed this range to do away with the need for transition ductwork, allowing the docking station to be cast in or fixed into the shaft upstand. This eliminates the nightmare of ductwork drawings, calculations and delays and further reduces the time spent working at height. First up is the Pod Mini Vertical. It provides smoke ventilation with a compact footprint and low height. Much like its horizontal twin, it's been designed to achieve all life safety requirements whilst keeping costs low. Next, we have the Pod Original Vertical. It provides all the benefits of the Pod Original, but removes the hassle of ductwork. Much like its horizontal twin, it incorporates primary attenuation, meaning the unit can double up for both smoke and day-to-day ventilation. Finally, we took the Pod Max and stuck it on its end. What did we get? A pod with double attenuation and no ductwork, the Pod Max Vertical. Like the horizontal Max, secondary attenuation means it can be used for both smoke and day-to-day ventilation in areas where there are strict noise restrictions. All vertical units are supplied with a docking station to allow for easy mounting straight to the top of the shaft in only one crane lift.
Whilst these pods save you estimating, procurement and operations time, reduce labour and increase safety, that's not all they do. One of our key drivers in creating these pre-built units is protecting the environment. We spent hours calculating the environmental benefits of using the Sertus pod rather than building smoke extract the traditional way. First, because the fan set components are from a single source, we've gone from a minimum of 3 site deliveries down to just 1. Second, we've gone from 10 crane lifts down to just 1. And we've reduced carbon emissions by 61% over the whole install process. All of that whilst delivering an install time of just 3 hours compared to 3 days. Our customers think it's a no-brainer.
Whilst we were creating these units, we also realised people found it tricky to decide what fan size and pod type they need. With so many moving parts and complex calculations, surely it needs a specialist to find the answer. Not anymore. We developed the Pod Calculator tool, an easy-to-use online tool which, based on a few simple questions, tells you the extract rate you're likely to need and which pod will fit the bill. Whilst CFD still plays an important role, it's all part of our goal to simplify smoke ventilation. Welcome to the future.